This is Trig Identities, part number 23, and I know in the last video I told you there would be no more Trig Identities videos. I lied. I voraciously lied, and I'm sorry. But apparently there's a couple more things I need to present before I get done with this whole thing. So, let's get through this, shall we? Here's the illustration. You should be able to immediately recognize this because this is Euclid Book 3, proposition number 20. And we use Euclid Book 3, proposition number 20 to prove the law of signs. And if you don't believe me, you can go back through my Trig Identities videos and you can see that for yourself. So you know what that is. And if you have been watching my trig videos and you have been watching my Euclid Elements videos, you know automatically that this is a tangent line right here. And whenever a tangent line becomes perpendicular to a radius of a circle, it automatically forms a 90-degree angle. Alright, so this is 90 degrees, and A plus B is also going to be 90 degrees. Okay? Now you say, well, how are we going to find out what A and B are? Alright. Here's how we're going to do this. First of all, we're going to drop a perpendicular from here down to here. That's going to form a 90-degree angle right there. So this is a 90-degree right-angled triangle. Alright. Now we already know that if you add the three angles of any triangle together, they're going to be 180 degrees. We already have 90 right there. So B plus D is 90. Okay. We already know that A plus B is 90. Okay, so now we know that A equals D. Alright, but there's something else we know too. We already said in the law of signs and in Euclid Book 3, proposition number 20, that D equals C. Well, guess what? If A equals D and D equals C, well, now you have the transitive property. Okay, as A equals D, then D equals C. So therefore, whatever C is, D will be also, and so will A. And as soon as you find out what A is, all you have to do is take 90 degrees, subtract A, and you got B. Now this is mighty important, because it will help you get closer and closer to proving the law of, well, not only the law of tangents, but to proving a major tangent identity. And I will cover that in in my next video. I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.